got the light on. Next first aid kit is this. Dad is fixing the bathroom, so something happened. I'm not sure. Hopefully everything's okay. But nothing to talk about. First aid kits, tweezers, everything you need to have, bandages in here. That's right, everything's in here. Have to go faster. This video is very long now. Have to calm down. Flashlights. I have the Yuko flashlight. Very cheap. Brave modes. Pre-batteries, backup batteries. I have my flashlight. My dad gifted me this flashlight last New Year. Or no, 2 New Years. I have this for 2 years now. Very bright. Can get super bright. Oh, it's hot. It's even brighter. It's so hot. Actually, I didn't know it was so hot. Yeah, no way it was getting brighter than that. Then I have my emergency whistle. Flashlight. 7-in-1 whistle. If you have dogs or headphones, turn off the volume. Not as loud, but still pretty loud. Safety pin. Have to have a safety pin. Tons of uses. Securing bandages, making fish hooks. Have a lot of safety pins. Have some in my first aid kit. Whistle. Turn down the volume. Dogs or headphones. You have to blow very hard in this whistle in order to get some sound. Another whistle. I'm not gonna blow it this time. Paracord. Hair 550 paracord, I believe. Bracelet. I have this with me. Carabiners. 2 carabiners. Strong carabiners. Clip. Colors. Next, I'm going to take dry bag. Keep all of my stuff dry. A bandana. 100% cotton bright bandana. 2 of my hats. Pour-2 wipes, same as in the survival kit. A fire starting kit. And a candle. 25-hour candle. Cordage. Lip balm. Sunglasses. Tons of cordage. Dad was drilling, so I had to stop the video. But cordage, tons of different cordages right here. 2 bags just in case. A harmonica, I like to play it. My own wooden spoon that I made. Water resistant paper. Pencil sharpener. 2 pencils. A guide. 2 knots. Tons of Ziploc bags. Then, for fun, I have playing cards. You like to play cards. And I have, this is not necessary, but little magnet, powerful light here. Maybe it's gonna be hard to do this. Where is it? Right there. That's that. good as I can get it. You see, to get good shots, to look at something up close. So, don't really need this, but I'm gonna take it. And that's it. That's everything I'm gonna take. I'm gonna pack it up and show you how it looks when I finish packing it. I forgot one thing. This thing is Bucks. Bushcraft Kid by Dan. Bushcraft Kid from Culcacker Bushcraft. Mammals of Central and Northern California. And Bugs of Northern California. That's it. I'm not gonna put all of these in my bag. I'm not gonna put them in my bag. It's gonna be in the car, so we have an hour-long drive. So you kind of want this to be in your car and not your backpack. Back in the trunk of the car. So this is gonna be in the car. Still have a lot to pack. And I'm done. Where's it? Oh, why is it so blurry? 1 second. Why is it so blurry? It should not be this blurry. What? It's not blurry on this side. Okay, but this is my gear. Hopefully you can see it correctly. Yeah, I can. It's my Bucks. And I'm done. It's not to close. I'm not going to close in this video. And I don't know, am I going to film there? But maybe. Maybe I will, maybe I will not. I hope you enjoyed this video. Forest Kid. And I'll see you next week.